So good afternoon, everyone. See, in yesterday's class, we have finished lens maker's formula and some note points regarding with lens maker's formula. है ना? So in yesterday's class, we have finished that. Today we will solve some problems based on this lens maker's formula. So we are going to solve some problems so that you will understand where we have to use which formula and which one we have to take negative or positive, whatever it is. Okay. So see, problem number one. Problem number one. Find the focal length of the lens find the focal length of the lens shown in figure. Shown in figure. So how they have given, this is a lens, okay, and they have given radius of curvature r is equal to 10 centimeter both, okay, that is r1 is equal to r2 is equal to r, we can say. They have given like this is equiconvex lens, so they have given r1 is equal to r2 is equal to 10 centimeter, and the medium which is surrounded around the lens, that is air, and therefore refractive index is equal to 1. Even this side also refractive index is equal to 1, and inside part its refractive index is how much? 3 by.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So this is what? 3 by 2. Refractive index is what? 3 by 2. Okay. Right. Now how to solve this? Let's see. Now, what is our formula? See, 1 by f is equal to 1 by f is equal to mu2 by mu1 minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. So here mu2 is nothing but 3 by 2, that is for lens. Mu1 is the toss of air, and that is 1. R1 is equal to this side, so that's why it is plus 10. R1 is equal to plus 10 centimeter, and R2 is this side. This is R1 and this is R2. So R2 should be minus of 10 centimeter. Substitute now all these values and do it yourself. I am doing this. You can also start with me only. So this is 3 by 2 divided by 1 minus 1 into 1 by R1 is 10 minus of 1 by minus 10. So this is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1 means how much you are getting? 1 by 2 only. Yes, because this is 1.5 minus 1. It means what? Just 1 by 2. And this side you see, this is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. This is nothing but 2 by 10. Yes, no, this is what? 1 by f. And therefore, this is nothing but 2 divided by 20. Yes. And take reciprocal. F is equal to 20 by 2, which is equal to plus 10 centimeter. And therefore, focal length of this lens is equal to plus 10 centimeter. Understood? Any doubt? Your doubt may be this one, why I have taken R2 as a negative and R1 as a positive. So listen here, if we will consider this lens, okay, so it is having two center of curvatures. This is C2 I am writing. Why C2? Because this I am taking as R2 and this is R1. So you are having here as a C1. So if I am taking this distance, yes or no, this distance, it is in the direction of light, and that's why I have taken it as a plus. Whereas this distance, which is opposite to the direction of light, that's why I have taken R2 as a negative and R1 as a positive. That you understood? Yes? Yes or no? Sign conventions. In the direction of light, positive. Opposite to the direction of light, negative. Yes. Any doubt, please ask. This Sunday compulsory exam untundi. Okay. First only I am telling, okay. Once again, sir, positive and negative you tell, okay. So see, sign conventions are there now. This is light direction, okay. So in the direction of light, already I have given in the mirror, in the direction of light, in the direction of light, positive. Opposite to the direction of light, negative. Understand? Now, as this is R2 means center of curvature is here, you are measuring distance this side. This side means against light direction. That's why it is minus. R1 means center of curvature is here. So you are measuring distance this in the direction of light. That's why it is plus. Therefore, R1 is plus and R2 is minus. Understood? Okay. Sir, why did we take mu2 as a refractive index of lens? Why not here? Because in the formula you can take, that is not at all the issue. You can take this as a mu1, this as a mu2. Just formula will change mu1 by mu2. But while deriving, we have taken this as a refractive index mu2 and this as a mu1. Understand? Okay. That is not at all the issue. If you will derive, you will get mu1 by mu2. If you will take this as a mu1 and this as a mu2 and this as a mu1. No issue. Okay. Any other doubt? Yes. Yes, Rishta, understood. Right. Clear? Shall I go to the next page? Exam on which topic? Last time I think whatever you have wrote from that topic to till whatever will finish. Most probably prism and lens, okay? Or else prism, curved surface and lens maker's formula. These three things. Yes. Yes, Rishta. go through one's derivation, then you will understand. Okay, where I have derived this formula, no, go through that, you will understand. Clear? Yes. Shall I go to the next page? Please tell. Okay. Now this question you have to solve. Second problem. Find the focal length of the lens shown in figure. Shown in figure. So you are having one concave lens this time. This is biconcave lens. And now here R1 is equal to R2 is equal to 20 centimeter. The medium which is surrounded is air again. The medium which is surrounded is air, and therefore it is equal to 1. Its refractive index is same, 3/2 made up of glass. Again here also air only. Do it yourself fast. Do it fast. Now which formula you will use? Again Lensmaker's formula only. Can you do it yourself? What is minus here? Yes. Yes. Given क्या क्या है देखो. Given mu2 is equal to 3/2. Mu1 is equal to 1. R1 is positive or negative? Tell me, R1 is positive or negative here? Yes. Positive or negative? नहीं रे मणिकंठा, negative. Yes, Varshit. So R1 should be negative -20. देखो किस तरफ है, अगेंस्ट द लाइट डायरेक्शन. हाँ, R2 is positive है कि नहीं? R2 is positive. R2 is +20. Now, what you have to find? Focal length. 1/f is equal to mu2 by mu1 minus 1 into 1/r1 minus 1/r2. This is what? lens maker's formula and substitute all the values. 3 by 2 by 1 minus 1 into 1 by minus 20 minus of 1 by plus 20. Enough. So this is nothing but 1 by 2 into this is 2 by minus 20. So this is 1 by f, and therefore 1 by f is equal to minus 2 by 40, and therefore f is equal to minus 40 by 2. So focal length is equal to minus 20 centimeter. Understood? Yes, minus 20 is the right answer. Yes, Dipali, Varshit, Amog. Yes, Meher. Yes. Yes, right. Understood. Take this previous page. This is the previous page. Okay. Right. Finished, everyone. This is only second page. Yes. Yes, finished. Yes, finished or not? Right. Let's go to the next page. Now see, very, very important problem. A glass or glycerine, a glass or glycerine convex lens, convex lens of refractive index of refractive index 3 by 2 has got a focal length, has got a focal length to 50 centimeter. Find the focal length. Find the focal length of the lens if it is immersed if it is immersed in ethyl alcohol ethyl alcohol of refractive index of refractive index 1.36. Now ध्यान से सुनो, listen carefully this problem, then next problem you can solve yourself. First let me explain. Now see here, glass or glycerin, convex lens, okay, means convex lens made of glass is having focal length how much? 50 centimeter. So what I am doing, I am drawing two diagrams here. You just see, this is case 1 and case 2. ध्यान से सुनो, ओके, जागते रहो, हाँ. केस 1 is what? कोई सो रहा है क्या रे? आफ्टरनून टाइम नो, वो नेपाली लोग रहते देखो, जागते रहो चोरों के टाइम में, वैसे काम है. दोपहर का क्लास मीन्स आफ्टरनून क्लास मीन्स जागते रहो. अब देखो, ये जो है convex lens that is surrounded by air, so this is mu a, and here also mu a which is equal to 1, and this has refractive index how much? I am drawing arrow like this, so mu of glass we can say, G for glass, G for glycerin also, 3/2. Okay, and then they have given focal length in this case is how much? 50 centimeter. How much they have given? 50 centimeter. Now when in case 2, what they are doing, in case 2, see here, this is a lens and they are immersing into the liquid. तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, पहले इसको व्हाइट वाला लिक्विड लेता हूँ, है ना. ये है आपका इथिल अल्कोहल, समझो, दिस इज इथिल अल्कोहल, and in this ethyl alcohol you have immersed this lens. इसको मैं कलर भी चेंज कर दूंगा ताकि आपको अच्छे से दिख जाए. ये भी नहीं दिख रहा है अच्छे से, इसको भी निकालो, ये अच्छे से दिखेगा. Now this lens you can see. Yes, no. In this case too, this medium is different now. Means this lens is immersed. Okay, so this refractive index of this glycerin GLY is equal to how much? 1.36. Here also mu GLY करेंगे 1.36, and the refractive index of this one is how much? As it is, कितना रहेगा? 3/2 mu of glass, इसका अंदर का. And now he is asking you focal length is equal to how much in the second case. So अगर मैं इसको f1 मानता हूँ तो इसे मैं f2 is equal to how much he is asking. Understood the question? Yes. हाँ या ना? हाँ या ना? समझ में आ रहा है? Yes. So let's see now. In case 1, I am writing clearly concentrate, concentrate, and only concentrate. Case 1, here mu1 is equal to mu A is equal to 1. Then mu2 is equal to mu G is equal to 3/2. And focal length is given or not, just let it be f. Okay, so let's use the formula. and this is R1 and this is R2. It is given, but as a R1 and R2, no values are given. And now we are assuming R1 and R2. So I'm using formula now. 1 by F is equal to mu2 by mu1 minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So case 1 के लिए you will get equation 1 by F is equal to 3 by 2 minus 1. है ना, 3 by 2 by 1 means 3 by 2 only. And this one I am keeping as it is. Okay, understood. Next case 2 కింద చూడండి. Case 2 देखो. In case 2 mu1 is equal to mu gly is equal to 1.36 and mu2 is equal to mu of glass is equal to 1.5 or 3 by 2. Anything you can write. Okay, and next क्या है, R1 R2 जो भी है छोड़ो, that is same only, R1 and R2, R1 and R2. Okay, so again I am using formula 1 by F in a liquid बोलेंगे, है ना, liquid. So this is equal to अब mu2 क्या है 1.5 है ना, 1.5 divided by 1.36 minus 1. Now there is no air, into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Call this equation number 2. Now let's divide these two equations 1 and 2. Dividing equation 1 and 2. So 1 by 2, if we will do, what we will get? See, this 1 by F by 1 by FL means FL by F आएगा. So this is FL by F is equal to, this is what పైన ఉంటుంది. So 1.5 minus 1, 3 by 2 minus 1 means 1.5 minus 1 divided by this one kinda 1.5 divided by 1.36 minus 1. And this 1 by R1, 1 by R1 and 1 by R2, it will get cancelled. So if I will find out now FL is equal to 1.5 minus 1 कितना होगा 0.5. Can you do from here now? Can you do it yourself? 0.5 divided by 1.5 divided by 1.36 minus 1 into this is F. That is what your FL value. Do it fast. Yes, answer. Yes, 242.75 is right answer. Yes, Parshit. Yes, Dipali, right. Yes. So this is what here. I'm going to the next page. Is it okay for you? Shall I go to the next page? Yes. Shall I go to the next page? Okay. So what we got? You see, 1 by FL है ना, F of liquid is equal to 0.5, and this is what here 1.5 by 1.36. How much you are getting? 1.10 minus 1 into this is F. So this F is minus A plus A in the direction of light, means minus A plus only, no. So this is what 50. So this is equal to 0.5 divided by 0.1 है ना into 50. सही है क्या? चेक करो। सही है। चेक करो एक बार। हाँ, तो अब कितना आ रहा है देखो। इज कमिंग नियरली 50 ना, 242 ना। अगर आप यहाँ पे 1.10 के 1.5 का कितना ले रहे हो, उस पर डिपेंड करता है वो। इफ यू आर टेकिंग 1.10, then you are getting that much, and if you are taking 1 point minus 1, if you will do, how much you are getting? Check करो। 0.1029, 0.1029 means 0.103 if you are doing, but round off करो, no problem. If you will do round off, how much you are getting, check it. So rounding off means you are getting just 5 into 50, which is what, FL. So FL is equal to 250 centimeter. That is also plus by rounding off. Okay, ठीक है ना? चेक करो। If you are taking 4 digits, you will get answer around 242 point something, 242.75 centimeter. ठीक है? Yes. If you will take this 1029, here if you are taking 1029, I have taken only 2 digits after decimal. Yes, 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 Varun, bolo. Yes, tell me fast. What is your doubt? Varun, what is your doubt? Sir, I have doubt. No doubt, sir. ये कौन सा डाउट होता है रे? मैं बोल रहा हूँ पूछो, ये बोल रहा है नहीं डाउट सर, हो गया। ठीक है, गुड। और कोई है जिसको डाउट है? कॉमेडी करते हो रे, नींद में हो क्या रे सारे लोग? हाँ, हाँ, यस। ओके। हाँ, हो गया प्रीवियस पेज। ये ले लो आगे का। देखो एक बार चेक करो। इसमें 1029 लिए तो कितना आता है देखो, आप कर सकते हो। 1029 किए तो आपको आएगा 5 डिवाइडेड बाय, अगर आप 4 डिजिट लेते हो तो 5 डिवाइडेड बाय 0.1029, आपको आ जाएगा ये 48.59। एंड देन इनटू अगर आप 50 करते हो कैलकुलेटर से, तो आपको आ जाएगा नियरली 242 पॉइंट समथिंग। बट अगर आप राउंड ऑफ करते हो तो ठीक है, ऑप्शन के हिसाब से देखो। ठीक है, आई हैव टेकन ओनली 2 डिजिट्स, राइट? हाँ, ठीक है, राउंडिंग ऑफ किया है मैंने, तो मुझे आ रहा है 250। अगर आप 4 डिजिट कैलकुलेटर से करते हो तो आपको आएगा 250 सेंटीमीटर, ये 242 पॉइंट समथिंग, नियरली 243 समथिंग लाइक दैट। ठीक है? हाँ, ठीक है, और ये प्लस आएगा। अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर है? ओके, वन प्रॉब्लम आई एम गिविंग, ट्राई टू सॉल्व इट। Write down fast, we have very less time. Homework, this is a lens. Oh, 1 minute, वीडियो ऑफ करो, वीडियो ऑफ करो जल्दी जल्दी। Let me see how many of you can solve this question. Here R1 is equal to 20 centimeter, R2 is equal to 30 centimeter, and this is mu of water, that is 4 by 3. Here also mu of water is 4 by 3, and this is mu of glass, that is 3 by 2. So आपको find out करना है कि FL is equal to how much when it is immersed in the water. When it is immersed in the water, you have to find focal length. Okay. Yes. What is this 4.8 meter? अमोघ क्या बोल रहा है? Okay, send me solution. Okay, send me solution. Send me solution. Previous page. But first, this copy the question.